Well, it all starts at the launch. And it really those first 6 months are pivotal and from the time they open, but the time they open, the clock starts from the day they sign a franchise agreement. And so when a franchise owner by us is approved by us and they sign, the first thing, and we're pretty good at it, is we want to see onboarding start immediately, right? Like you sign the agreement, you wire us a check. And the thing I would hate is like you're super responsive and then you're slow. And so the second they sign, we joke that our onboarding process should be even better than the development experience you had. And so onboarding starts right away. And one thing we've learned is we don't want to rush onboarding. Sometimes owners will try to do it faster. In the past, I'll admit, we thought that was fine. They're excited. No, we've looked at the data. That longer specific onboarding is important. It's like trying to cram for exam over a week instead of studying all semester, right? So we really want to be intentional about the length of time that onboarding is. After that, onboarding is virtual mostly until you go to Voda University in person. But some of the things I've seen really become next level is one, Zach, amazing at what he does. He then took his onboarding and passed it on to a woman named Jesslyn Johnson, our onboarding manager, and she took it to a new level. And one of the things I really love about what Jesslyn did, amongst many things, is she created a group. There's individual as well, but group onboarding. And there's these groupings of kind of like a pledge class or a sorority. Like they in a fraternity, they're all working together, individually and together, to get through the training, like the semester. And, we'll do group shout outs. Great job, Johnny. You did the first to check off, setting up your LLC or all the many, many things we have to do. Mm-hmm. And it creates that camaraderie, it creates that competition, it creates that accountability. And once onboarding is done, they come to Voda University, they train for a week, and then I don't want to say handed off, but they're connected then with their success coach, who's going to be their point of contact post onboarding, mm-hmm. getting them opening, leads on, and everything else. And honestly, last thing I'll say, training doesn't end at Voda University. Training begins the day you graduate, right?